Okay, here he gave me a function like this, fx equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 7, and he asked me for find the slope of fx is at x equals 3 or x equals negative 2, write the equation of the tangent, okay, or find the point on fx, or something related with this, something related with the slope and rate of a change, or horizontal tangent, or the equation of tangent. All of these questions, which means he want the derivative by proving the rate of a change or the slope. So what you will do, the first you will get the derivative of the function by the limit. As we said before, the rule limit as h approaches to 0, fx plus h minus fx over h. Okay, so to get this function, you should substitute with the functions here. Fx plus h, you will write the original function here, but substitute with x is x plus h all squared, and so on. Here, instead of x, it will be x plus h. You get the concept here? Okay, then minus fx, you will write the original function just over h. Okay, to get this function, you must to expand the brackets in to get the final value of fx plus h like this. Here he wrote the original, and instead of x and x he put x plus h, then expand the bracket and combine the like terms here. So here 3x plus h all squared minus 4x plus h plus 7. So he expand the bracket of x plus h all squared to get then distribute property to expand the bracket to get this value like this. Okay, then he continued to substitute in the rule here negative here fx, so I will write the original function here over h. Then what he will do here, he expand the bracket or subtract the two functions together here to get this value 6x plus 3h all squared minus 4h over h. Here he took h common factor, then crossed h together to get the value here 6x plus 3h minus 4. And finally he substitutes with the value of h approaches to 0, so he remove h and put 0 to get the final answer 6x minus 4 as the derivative function. Here is how to get the slope or change of rate by this method. Okay, let's see the question here. First question, find the slope of fx at x equals 3 and x equals negative 2. As here is the slope is here, so I will substitute once as x equals negative 3 to get the slope, then the other one as x equals 2. You get the concept, and that's all. Let's see it together. Here the slope is f dash equals 6x minus 4. He will remove x once and put 3, then remove x once and put negative 2 to get the final answer here and here. Is that hard? Okay, what about here? Second question here, write the equation of the tangent line at x equals negative 2. So, to write the tangent line, I should write the rule y minus y1 equals m, open the bracket x minus x1. Okay. First of all, I should get the function of x equals negative 2 here. So I will substitute in the original function, which is substitute with the f equals negative 2 to get the answer is 27. Then he will substitute with the x is negative 2, x1 is negative 2, and y1 is this value 27. To get y minus 27 equals negative 16, open the bracket x plus 2. Then send at negative 27 the other side to get the value of the equation. After simplify, it would be like this. So the concept here, when he wanted from me to write the equation of the tangent line, what I will do, I will write the form of my equation, y minus y1 equals m multiplied by x minus x1. As he, of course, will give me the value of x, to substitute in this function to get the value of y, x1 and y1, as a point. Then you will get the function like this. You got the concept here? Okay. What about this? 3. Find the point fx, which means the value of y, which the slope is 2. He told me the value of a slope is 2. You got the concept here? Okay, so I will substitute with the rule the derivative rule, yes. 6x minus 4, what I solve for first, equals 2. Solve to get x. Once you get x equals 1, you will substitute in this function the original function to get the value of y or fx as he wants from me. So it will be 1 and 6. As here he gave the value of x equals 1, substitute in this function. He remove x and put 1 squared, remove x and put 1, so it will be the answer 6. Okay, what about the fourth one? Find the point for which fx has a horizontal tangent line. Do you remember the rules of slope is horizontal equals what, or vertical equals what? Yeah, if vertical it will be undefined, if horizontal it will be equals 0. Do you remember this? Okay, once he told me the horizontal tangent is the tangent is horizontal, so the slope of this tangent equals 0. So I will substitute with the slope 6x minus 4 equals 0 to get the value of x equals 2 over 3. To get value of fx, or which called y, I will substitute in this function. I will remove x and put 2 over 3 all squared. I remove x to put 2 over 3, then substitute to get the value 17 over 3. So the point will be 2 over 3 as value of x, and the value of fx or y is 17 over 3, and that's all. I think it's so clear. The derivative is the proof of how to get the slope of or the rate of a change of any function. Like you will indicate 2 points and get the change of y over change in x of it by limit. Once you get the slope, you can make anything to get any wanted from the givens that he gives you. Okay? Thank you.